Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie, guys. So, adaptive cruise control in the front. You are going to get the 6.7 Cummins engine underneath the hood, as well as that brand new ZF8 transmission. Night edition, so you get the nice black wheels. You can have your tow mirrors with your mirror lights here. Keyless entry on this one, getting into your passenger seat here, so leather all throughout this one, nice and easy to keep clean. You're gonna have your power seat on your passenger, getting into your rear seat on this side, guys, so you're gonna have two different charging ports there, as well as a wall outlet. Power windows, your seats are going to lift up and give you some extra space there as well. As we come around back, you'll have your backup camera already installed, trailer tow, soft dropping tailgate with fifth wheel prep, as well as that's going to come with a bed liner, bed hooks, bed lighting, so you are set up to tow from day one with this one, guys. Rear sliding window for you. You're also going to find your fuel tank here, so that'll be your diesel, DEF, nice and easily accessible for you. Getting into the rear seat here, where you can see it lifts up here. Some storage here. You can also pop this up and you'll have some extra storage in your floor here. Pop that back down and we'll get into here, so you can see you're going to have your blind spot and heated mirror, so you won't need to worry about fogging up. Nice 12-inch display in here, guys. Leather wrapped wheel, column shifter, adjustable pedals. You'll have memory seats, power mirrors, all that good stuff, guys. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.